Hi, my name is John and welcome to 7 Minutes Painting, a beginner's tutorial to painting hobby. So basically today we are introducing you to the tools of the trade because I know I would have liked to know exactly what I needed to start the hobby and I would really have liked to have a video like this. So I'm putting my hands in the water today to make sure that I can give you something that will be helpful to you. All right, so welcome to my workspace when I paint. Basically, these are the basic tools you will need to proceed with painting. So you have here what we would call a sturdy surface. Okay, this is really important so that you can make sure that your surface is not shaky while you are painting. Okay. The second thing you will need is something to protect the surface. You see here I've got this green plastic rectangle. Okay, this is something I work on so I do not mess up my my furniture I'm working on. Okay, so it usually keeps your workspace free of the mess you'll be doing, because as you can see there are a lot of messy stuff that was going on there. Okay. I usually work with those four basic brush. Okay, you will have this medium base brush by Citadel, and you will see that the bristles here are wider. So this is usually used when we will be painting models during base coating. Okay, so it covers a lot of surface on the model. So this is the kind of brush that you would want to use as the first step. Okay, we have here a second brush. Okay, it's a medium layer brush from Citadel again, and you will see it's thinner and longer and pointier, so you can actually do some layering. The third one I am using is the small layer brush. Okay, you see here that it is actually quite small. Okay, it goes really well doing details, okay, such as maybe in the recesses or sharp edges, eyes, anything as such. Okay, you will require this so that you can do detail work on your models. And the last one, you'll see this one is bigger. Okay, this one is actually pretty important because this will be your wash brush. Okay, you will use this in your washing process, which is kind of essential when you will be painting models. Okay, these are the four brushes that I would recommend even before starting to paint, because you will find these quite useful as you might go back and forth in those four brushes in the process of painting a model. Then we have, of course, a plastic cup, okay, to put your water in. We have what we will see. You see here, I've got a tissue that I've used. Okay, this is essential. You will always be needing tissues to wash after washing your brushes. Okay. Another really important tool will be the precision knife. Okay, you see here it's missing the tip up there because it's quite fragile. Okay, you got to be careful, of course, when you're using this. Okay, and it usually goes like this. Okay, so you will be working on your model if there's something you need to remove, or when you are removing your models from the sprue to actually build them up. Okay, which usually comes really handy using this. Okay, this is a nail cutter. Okay, version for models, okay, or hobbying exists. Okay, but this is actually a nail cutter, and I use this to remove the models from the sprue. Okay, this is really a handy tool. If you want to start good, then you take that and you use it as your major tool when unscrewing, new word, unscrewing your models from the box. Okay, of course you will need a palette. Okay, you will see this is not like an artist palette or anything. Okay, I've just used the underlid of cottage cheese here at the supermarket, and you can reuse this easily. Okay, you can use this, you can wash it, hot water, some tissues, then you can use it again. Really useful. You don't need to spend a lot of money on that. You use this. Okay, and lastly, you'll see that I have, of course, plastic cement. Okay, this is a glue that works really well with plastic models such as those. Okay, it really works really well. So if you ever want to glue your model, then you use this. All right, so these were the tools of the trade, and I hope you enjoyed this video so I can keep posting more beginner tips on how to actually paint your miniatures and starting into the hobby. Okay, so I really hope that I will be adding videos every week. Okay, so if you feel free to support me if you wish. You can subscribe to the channel, you can like the video, share it if you want, okay? If you find that this video was really helpful for you, then go ahead. I thank you very much. My name is John from 7 Minutes Painting, and I wish you have a nice day.